a guide you to remove effects on your Instagram reels. So let's see that how. Go to your Instagram, click on this plus icon, go to the reel. Here, go to the reel. You can select from camera roll, or otherwise, you can go for the video by recording it with camera. So I'm going for the camera roll. I have already recorded that, and so it is showing me that. So if you tap here, you can find the reels. This three circles. If you tap on that, you can find the effects of reels. So if you see that reels has been, the effects has been changing, there is, okay, if I tap on this and I get back, and now that effect has been appearing on this. If I don't need that effect, so I need to remove that. There is no special option to remove effects. So if you need to remove, again tap on that. If I tap on this, see, if I tap on this, if again I tap on this, then that will be removed, or otherwise, here you can find no effect. If you tap on that, then that effect will be removed. This is how you can remove effects on Instagram Reels. Thank you.